We have some things to say. We have some challenges to grapple with. We have some hope to bring for all of us that are engaged in this fantastic profession, the things that we are giving our lives to. Will we make a difference? Will we turn things around? Or will we educate a future that will turn things around?
These issues that are racking the planet, the issues of environmental responsibility, are all resulting from the way we're occupying and designing our life on this planet. And, we have an opportunity to shift and do it differently.
It's really up to all of us working together to figure out how it is that we're going to address all of these challenges and embrace the opportunities that are in front of us.
In this difficult period, we're responsible for bringing ourselves and seeing the world into a new equilibrium. This change is going to happen at every level of human existence. If you think about it, everything has to change from the individual all the way up to our economic systems, all the way up to our relationship with the planet.
I think in my heart I was still an architect, but really wanted to commit to finding a path focused on sustainability.
A lot of you control hugely talented teams that have these kind of ideas. And what I would encourage you to do is make room, make space, make opportunity for those people to kind of innovate from within.
Wildlife population is 50% less since 1970. It's really hard to kind of get a real metric on the amount of biodiversity, but it's a lot of things disappearing. To the tune of every 7 minutes, we have another creature permanently wiped off the face of this earth. So every time we approach a project, we start thinking about who does this affect, especially beyond humans, and can we use our powers of imagination, architecture, and engineering to design for those beings?
How can you come together and produce real change in concrete ways and identify what that change is going to consist of? And there's a lot of power that comes with having a privileged position. And it's the choice that you make about how you're going to put that to work.
So if you look up here, here's just a listing of some fairly significant storms that have happened. We recognized after Ike how much wind and surge can make a difference to our barrier islands, completely wiping out whole communities.
If we're going to be dealing and confronting with essentially a national, international scale disaster to do this, what kind of response is correct and appropriate?
No other situation that I think legitimately can you say that to do nothing is the worst alternative. It's something that from the grassroots up we're going to have to do ourselves.
We're all at a point in the course of human social evolution when the demands of survival converge with the higher ideals of humankind and the well-being and flourishing of human society. It is up to us to see that we navigate this transition, adapting and emerging in a new reality. Thank you.